Hey guys, LechK here. Today a quick video to show you how to assemble one of these patio furniture sets from Amazon, the wicker type. It's either real wicker or this composite plastic like this is. All these sets are basically the same type of design, just more pieces or different brand names, but the idea is the same. They're pretty comfortable, they look good, and they should last. So the assembly is very simple, and when I was reading the reviews before purchasing this, people complaining things aren't lining up. They do give you a complete toolkit and everything to assemble this. Everything is already labeled up with the numbers. All the holes are ready for you. Same with the mounting. So everything should line up fine. One thing I noticed, maybe you have to flex something here and there, but there's actually no issues with getting this assembled. So quickly, I'll walk you guys how to set up this chair and then just give you guys a little preview of all the other ones that I did here to ease your mind when purchasing this. Let's get started. So for the chair, you basically have four pieces: the sides, the seat itself, and then the backrest. So we're going to start with the backrest and one of the sides. Okay, so for example, one goes on the left side, two goes on the right side, and then this is our base, which we're going to start with. So we've got a backrest, mounting points right here. We're going to grab the C-screws in this case, washers, line them up here. And now hand tighten it with the included wrench. And for some people, it might not be lining up because you super hand tighten everything tight from the start. Don't hand tighten it fully. Assemble all the pieces and then finish. That will probably make your life a lot easier. If you line it up correctly, you should be fine. But if you're worried about stuff not lining up, just wait and then tighten everything at the end. And next, we're gonna work on one of the sides. So you have a mounting point here and here, as well as on the bottom here and here, which is gonna go next. First, we're doing these two. Up just like that. Same screws with the washer. Drop this on the side, make your life easier. And now tighten. As you see, so far everything's lining up. So now we do the extended screws here to tighten this together. And those in this case are the longer E screws. So this is the point, it might not be lining up, but if you didn't secure everything super tight from the start, it's going to be easier to move everything around to make sure you get it in and tighten it up. Now we move on to the other side. same idea. Alright, that's that. Now, let's just finish this side. And then this is what I was talking about right here, guys. Probably everybody's complaining, right? You made everything super tight. And now, right in here, this connection, where the long bolt has to go through, this might be a little offset, right? You made everything super tight, yeah, this won't move anymore. See, it's misaligned right now. Loosen up your bolts if you need to, but basically you can just put your knee down here, hold this side, and then lift this one up a little bit so you can line them up together. Once you line it up, just screw it together and you're all set. Once it grabs, you are good. That's the only issue I could think of these chairs having that people are complaining about. One more bolt, and we're almost there. Same thing here, it's not lining up. As you can see, what I'm going to do is just lift it up a little bit, get it into place. And just grab on, and we're good. There you go, chair assembled. If you need to, tighten up all the screws, but that's about it. Now if you choose to, I'm gonna put the legs on as well. And they use these D bolts, no washers. Has two little tabs. You just line up over here and then just pop it right on. You can use one of these to help you tighten it. And that's it, 3 to go, chair's done. Here's a complete chair. Cushion's pretty comfortable, they are washable. This does have zippers, so that's pretty cool. Chair does feel solid. This little slide out thing is pretty cool too. And this snaps on right there, as you saw, with these little hooks. So nothing crazy. The assembly was very simple. It's 3 pieces. These 2 sides with a couple bolts here and here, a couple bolts there and there, and then this separated in the middle to hold it all together. You can use this as a seat, footrest, and then same idea was with the table. 4 sides and the glass top, a few bolts everywhere, and that was it. Very cool set, and it will do the job. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this is helpful. Also, if you are looking to do some awnings, I just did videos on how to install these polycarbonate ones. They're awesome. And I just did a video how to do a TV outdoors. So if you're looking to complete your setup, check out my channel. Lots of how-to videos, home car stuff, and lots more. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe, follow, come back for more.